how to do web check in Etihad Airways. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can do and perform a web check on Etihad Airways, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically perform a web check on your Etihad Airways, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is just go to etihad.com and then you're going to see this type of interface where if you want to check about your ticket and bookings, then over here you'll find one of the options that says check-in. So you can tap the check-in option and make sure to enter your booking reference, ticket or Etihad guest number, enter the last name and tap the check-in option. If you don't know where to find this, you can tap on where can I find this option and you should be able to see that your booking reference is your booking reference or PNR 6 character code beginning with the capital letters, and your ticket number is a 13-digit code on your e-ticket and in your booking confirmation email. This way you should be able to do a web check in Etihad Airways. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.